It's a look, y'all. It's a look. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm LALABAD. Welcome. If you're new here, please take the time out to subscribe. Today I am sharing with you this product. This is a carbonated bubble clay mask, and it's by Bio Aqua Skincare. This was actually a gift from a love bug, and she wanted me to review it. There are some directions in English. So it says, after cleansing or facial makeup, before the state, take appropriate mask evenly to the face. Do not apply thick layer of cream is slightly thicker than the thickness of a little bit on it. Okay. Paint it about 5 minutes until bubbles start to bubble up to the most risk to the peak time. Hand massage bubble a minute or so to fully dissolve inside the pores of cosmetics with dirt. Then rinse with warm water. Use 2-3 times a week is recommended. Sensitive skin with caution. Okay, so that's the directions. It comes with a spatula. Okay, there's a little cover. Let's get to masking. Okay. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, wow, that's really, it's like jelly, a little like jelly. I'm keeping it away from my eyes. So I don't know the benefits. I don't know how thick it didn't really say how thick I gotta put it on. So I'm probably putting on too much. I'm gonna bring out close so y'all can see if it starts to bubble. Oh, it feels like little things are like crawling on my face. Do y'all see the bubbles? I feel like things are crawling on my face. It's like I want to scratch. Okay, you can see it now, right? The smells, it's not a bad smell. There is a scent. It's not a bad scent. Carbonated bubble clay mask. Keeps skin young and beautiful. Keeps skin energetic. Let me go get a wet small towel. I'll be right back so I can wipe it off and we can see if my skin is younger, better, and energetic. What's energetic skin? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off, see what happens. Like, I mean, I guess it's different. I mean, not really, to be honest with you. But it was fun to try. I think that's something that's just like kind of a novelty type of thing. Does it feel cleaner? Well, yeah, because I started with a dirty face. I always forget to take before shots, so I apologize. But, I mean, I guess. As far as energetic, the only energy that my face had was when it was itching. So my thoughts are, it feels clean. Energetic? No. Younger? I mean, no. I'm young at heart, but I don't know if my skin is any younger. Would I purchase this again? I would purchase it as a novelty gift. Something that someone can play around with. Someone that probably likes skincare. Just to give them something different in a mask. Does it really work? I don't know. I think I would have to use it a couple more times to see. But, I mean, it made my skin feel clean. But I think anything would have done that, to be honest with you, because my face was a little oily. All right, everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please take the time out to subscribe. I hope this review helped you in some way if you were thinking about purchasing something like this. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Bye.